Hi folks, and welcome back to this week's Modern Learning Tip of the Week. This week we're going to be talking about some new features in Padlet that make it way more versatile, and it can even be sort of replacements for different apps, whether it be something like Flipgrid or anything like that. So as you know, if you've used Padlet before, it's a really great tool and it's free, and now you've got all these different options that you can have. So mine is a Padlet wall right now, for example, and when I click on the plus sign to add something here, we had a few options that we could do before, but now when we click on these three little dots, there are so many different options that come up that it's really exciting. So you can upload a file from your computer, you can have a link to a URL from a website, you can actually do a search. So if you wanted to put in an image, it'll do the Google search right from the actual Padlet itself. You can take a picture from using your computer's webcam or your Chromebook's webcam. You can actually capture a film, which is kind of neat too. So this is what I was talking about with the idea of using it like a Flipgrid. So Flipgrid is a really cool tool, but unfortunately it is a paid app where, I mean, you can have one free grid, but this way you could use Padlet sort of in place of that. And have it be done for free. But for those who maybe don't want to have their face on, you can actually just do the voice recording, and the voice recording could be the same idea. So students could all go in, they could share their ideas using their voice rather than having to type things out. They could draw their ideas if they wanted to draw their ideas. They can add a location, or they can link to one of their other Padlets as well. So it's really pretty neat. So again, for example, if we went to the draw one here, then it opens up this background where again I can choose a black background or a white background. I can choose the color of my pen, and then I can just start, drawing something here. And there we go, click on save, and then it will save my drawing, and I can still even add something to the drawing. So I can say that this is Amit's idea, and then I'm going to write something, this is my great idea. So again, all of your students could be posting something like that onto the same Padlet wall, which would be pretty collaborative and probably a lot of fun. So some really cool tools that you can use in Padlet now, which make it really exciting and pretty versatile. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.